and I am from class 8. Yet, this is not the end. The list of activities is not complete. In our Civic Duty Club, they've taught me how important each and every person is. Though we know that all of us are born with equal potential and strengths, we look at other people and feel inferior about ourselves. But my Civic Duty Club taught me that I can achieve each and everything that I strongly desire for. And this was done through the Free Being Me activity, in which I wrote about all the positivity in me, my goals and my achievements. We shall also be doing the All Faith Prayer activity, in which we shall read books of different religions like Bible, Quran, Bhagavad Gita and many more books. This will bring in an ambience of respect and equality. And not only this, it will give us a lot of knowledge about other religions and their sayings. Recently, our school's 6th and 7th standard students had been to a fest named the Bangalore Civic Fest, in which they learnt about how each and every child can be a responsible citizen. They also learnt about compost making, waste management, water treatment, sewage treatment and many more things. They met the young change makers who had influenced and spread awareness in the local communities. They got a message that a small group of thoughtful, young, committed citizens can change the world. Along with my academics, I enjoyed learning how to socialize with everyone, how to be positive and how to be an active citizen. I thank my school and my Civic Duty Club to have taught me so much. Thank you.